Hi, my name is Jason. I'm a product specialist here at Redcort Software. Today I'm going to show you how to download, install, and set up Virtual TimeClock Basic Edition for Mac. In order to get to our website, navigate to www.redcort.com. You'll find our download page at the top of our website. Go ahead and select Virtual TimeClock Basic. After confirming that your system meets the requirements, go ahead and select Download. After the software has successfully downloaded, go ahead and launch the installer. As you can see, the installation was successful. Go ahead and close that window. The next window you're going to see is the Virtual TimeClock Welcome window. From this window, you can open a sample company and view sample company data. Today we're going to open a new company. If you'd like to return to this panel, simply close Virtual TimeClock and relaunch it. Go ahead and fill in your company information. Complete an administrator. Add their password. And select Create. As you can see, a new database was successfully created for your company. Go ahead and add users. We're going to add one user today. You only need a first and last name to add a time clock user. After you've added all your users, go ahead and click Save and Close. After you've added all your users, you'll be brought to the Configure Users window. Let's select Show All and return to the main configuration window. This is the main Configure Virtual TimeClock window. Here you'll see 3 rows of icons: People, System, and Data. We were just in the Configure Users window. Let's go ahead and select Overtime so that we can set how overtime rules get applied to our time clock users. In order to modify the rule, go ahead and click Modify Rule. Let's go ahead and change the daily and weekly to a weekly only for our company. As you can see, when the overtime rule kicks in, it will be paying at 1.5 times base pay. We're going to use the weekly rate so that overtime will kick in after 40 hours have been worked total. If everything appears correct, go ahead and click Save. And then let's click Show All. To set when time clock users are going to be paid, let's go ahead and select Payroll Settings. As you can see, there are 2 sections to the Configure Payroll Settings panel: a payroll frequency and current payroll period. If you select the drop-down menu, you can see the other options available. We're going to leave it at a weekly payroll. You can simply select your date here. The second day will automatically fill in based on the payroll frequency that you select. After everything's correct, click Apply and Show All. In order to set how total hours will be calculated and displayed on your time cards, let's choose Time Settings from the Configure window. In the Time Settings window, you can select what day of the week your work week will start. You can also address rounding. If you'd like no rounding to be applied, simply leave it at None. If you'd like the time clock to round to tenths of an hour, select that option, or quarter hours. After everything is correct, go ahead and click Apply. Congratulations, your time clock is now set to run. Let's go ahead and close the configuration window. When you close the configuration window, you'll be brought back to the main administration page. As you can see, there's a series of icons across the top of the page. The first one is the entry editor, which will allow you to add, modify, or delete entries. There's a place for you to add manual time card entries. There's a place to print time cards, close payroll periods, and conduct a backup of your time clock database. Let's go ahead and put this time clock into action. On the bottom left corner, let's change from administration mode to user mode. This is the screen that time clock users will see when they approach the time clock for the first time. They'll just need to walk up, select their name. Grace will need to enter her password. This will be one that she'll create this time, and it will be used each time. And now she can clock in. Thank you for watching this video. For additional resources, please visit our website at www.redcort.com.